Greetings from Central Public Works Department. In November 2020, a design competition was held for the design of the iconic structure at Nav Bharat Udyan. We had received 126 entries from all over India. We are grateful for the incredible participation from the students and architects who had given their time and energy to this competition. We highly appreciate the participants who sent these entries, and they can be viewed on the gallery on the website www.cpwd.gov.in. Since we did not find any entry completely in sync with the definition of New India, the competition is being relaunched. Central Vista Development Redevelopment Master Plan envisions to redevelop Central Vista as a world-class public space, restore its grandeur as an architectural icon, house modern facilities for efficient functioning of administration, strengthen cultural institutions, and commemorate 75 years of India's independence. Under the master plan, the Central Vista will be virtually extended from the present 2.9 kilometers to 6.3 kilometers on eastern point to culminate at western bank of River Yamuna, to restore in pursuance of the original designs of the Central Vista and stretch from ridge to river. Nav Bharat Udyan, New India Garden, is planned on the western bank of the river to commemorate 75th year of Indian independence. The Udyan is planned as a part of 116 hectares Amrut Biodiversity Park. This Amrut Mahotsav, celebrating 75 years of independence, we are organizing a competition for the design of iconic structure aligned with the central axis of the vista and located within the Nav Bharat Udyan. The iconic structure intends to realize the grand vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, symbolizing emerging New India with equitable growth opportunities rooted in values of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas. We expect the iconic structure to reflect the following salient features. Iconic and defining. The structure should be iconic in design and represent the national capital. For example, at present, India Gate erected by the British in the Central Vista in the early 20th century prominently signifies Delhi. The proposed iconic structure being built in the independent India should now become a new symbol of the national capital. Other examples could be Opera House in Sydney, Martyrs Memorial in Algeria, Gateway Arch in Mysore. Timeless. The structure should be constructed with materials and technology which would last for eras, like Ashoka's edicts, Iron Pillar in Qutub Minar complex, etc. Hence, it should be robust and withstand the vagaries of nature and remain as such for millennia to represent the current age. Other examples could be Pyramids of Giza, Hampi monuments. Aspirational. The structure should represent values and aspirations of New India, which is clean and free from poverty, corruption, terrorism, communalism, and casteism. It may further symbolize the new developments like Digital India, Skilled India, Fit India, etc., coupled with energy, dynamism, and transformational ethos. Example: Azadi Tower in Tehran, Statue of Liberty in New York, Baha'i Temple in New Delhi. Indigenous. The iconic structure should be constructed with indigenous materials to realize the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Example: Jantar Mantar in New Delhi and Jaipur. Viewing gallery. A panoramic view of the city, River Yamuna, and Central Vista should be visible from the tower. Commemorative. It should be associated with 75 years of independence being celebrated in the year 2022 in a defining manner. Example: the Eiffel Tower and Arc de Triomphe in Paris, Gateway of India in Mumbai, Charminar in Hyderabad. Alignment. The central axis of the vista starts from Rashtrapati Bhavan, moves on the central line between North and South Blocks and Rajpath, and culminates at India Gate. The iconic structure should be aligned exactly on this central axis. Example: Washington Memorial on National Mall in Washington, D.C. The idea is to build a new commemorative landmark for the nation which reflects its principles and aspirations. It should have innovative elements and features to engage with the audience. Some possible categories could be tower, example Eiffel Tower Paris, Space Needle Seattle, a structure that provides with a new experience or say first in the city experience. Example, London Eye, use a facade for tech show, Gateway Arch in Missouri. A structure that uses mathematical equations to derive an innovative form that is using mathematical matrix horizontally and vertically. Permanent sculpture, art installation that is interactive and displays futuristic technologies. Statue or pillar, but only if it has innovative features. Monument, commemorating 75th year of independence, example India Gate, War Memorial, only if it has innovative features. The categories thus mentioned are suggestive and participants should not be limited by it. The structure is constrained by certain factors such as the foundation is to be sited in sandy soil with high water table due to the location being on the banks of River Yamuna. It can be a tower, sculpture, or any other built form, but not a building to be occupied. Maximum permissible height at the proposed site, as per the color-coded zonal map prepared by Airports Authority of India, is 134 meters from present ground level. Other factors like soil stability, wind velocity, seismic forces, and vulnerability to flooding, etc., need to be duly considered as per the provisions of National Building Code of India 2016 while designing the structure. Who can participate? The competition is open to Indian citizens, organizations only. It will include architects, architectural firms, students, student groups, architectural or planning schools, colleges, and other institutions across India, or any combination of the above. Design professionals from other fields can also participate, provided they collaborate with either architect or structural engineer. Day-night views, view from the viewing gallery, view from top of the tower, plan of the tower. Timelines. Registration opens on 27 July 2021 at 1600 hours. Registration closes on 18th October 2021 at 1700 hours. Last day to submit design is 19th October 2021 at 1900 hours. The participants are getting a duration of 12 weeks to complete their design. Presentations before the jury will be notified on the website. Winners' announcement will also be notified on the website. Prizes. The first prize would be rupees 5 lakhs. 5 commendation prizes, which will be rupees 1 lakh each. If design elements from various entries are selected, the prize money shall be equitably distributed to all the concerned participants. All the selected entries will be duly recognized. Recognition. The winning designer will be given due recognition in form of a name plaque installed on the iconic structure itself. Further details on submission requirement, etc. are available on our website www.cpwd.gov.in. For any other query, contact iconicstructure2021@gmail.com